Hello. I don't know if Akin is muted.
Sorry. Hey, go ahead, Paul. Sorry, I was
Okay.
muted.
Yes.
Yeah, awesome job, brother.
I really enjoyed what Kareem was saying because funny enough, Kareem and I went through the same.
Oh, Paul, you're muted. Let's see. One second, Paul. Let me make sure you're good. Please try it again, Paul.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
All right, my bad. So I was saying it's nice to kind of take over from where what Kareem was saying because Kareem and I went through the same class. We were the same batch, and we had very similar experience. We actually got our jobs around the same time. So I can testify with everything he's saying. A lot of my colleagues that spoke ahead of me kind of hit on the main points in terms of the effort that you should put in your studying. One of the biggest things with this position is your ability to use your resources. If you just want everything handed to you, this is not going to be a good fit for you. Sometimes you have to look around and say that book, that link, this thing I can use as a resource. And AI, with the adventure of invention of AI now, is a big resource for us because there is nobody in this field that knows everything A to Z. It's a continuous learning field. You have to continuously research and keep up with the current terms and see what is changing and all that stuff. So your ability to use your resources to get information is critical, absolutely critical. And then secondly, your ability to use the people around you, because like I said, no man is an island in this field. Somebody specializing even within GRC. So I'm in GRC, but I specialize mostly in risk analysis. There's people that don't really know much about the risk analysis component, but they are experts in all the regulatory rules and they know each document. And so sometimes, even as much as you want to make sure that you're well rounded, still be able to know, okay, this is my area of specialty, but I can collaborate with this person, I can collaborate with this team to get some jobs done. So that's what I want to encourage people is continuously keeping a learning mindset, continuously willing to learn and use the resources around you is a very critical aspect of this job. And then for me, the biggest thing that has helped me in my career is just having confidence. A lot of times we walk into rooms and we have that doubt that creeps up behind our mind. Do we have what it takes? I assure you, the people you're working with, the people interviewing you, they're all human just like you. They're all learning things just like you. So when you walk into rooms with confidence, sometimes people will even elevate you more than you think because they'll be like, wow, this guy is confident. He must know what he's doing. Now, obviously, you want to study and be able to back that up, but what you show, how you carry yourself on the outside, absolutely matters. And with the way you carry yourself, the more you study and the more you know, the better you will get as well. Because competence breeds confidence. So that's something to keep in mind as you go into this field. But I wish you all the best, and I'm very excited to see a lot of people in the class like willing to learn and make their lives better. So thank you.
Thank you, Paul, man. Man, I have nothing to say, man. You guys are just, whew. I mean, your energy is just, like, I think it's the marine in you, huh? A
So,
veteran. Okay, amazing
yes,
job, brother.
sir.
Thank
Yes,
you so
sir.
much for what you do. So proud of what you're doing, brother. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you
Thank
very
you, sir. I
much.
appreciate it. Very well done.